Wise Block sent me this bonsai tree, 4 seasons. It's 950 pieces. Let's open this up and put it together. All right, so we got a user's guide, and then it comes in 15 separate bags. So we're gonna open these all up, start putting this together. All right, so first thing is it does have this little tool that comes with it. And we have all the bags laid out. They are numbered, so you can go step by step. This is what we're gonna try to get the end result. So we'll put it side by side, see if this is what we got. Right now, we just have bags, so. All right, base is done. It's pretty cool, actually. So now we're gonna start building the tree. All right, getting closer, starting to get the base of the tree done. So pieces here, these light green ones with these little brackets in the bottom of the tree is gonna stick right in there. And then there's 2 right here, which are gonna be for these 2. Perfect, set that in there. There we go. All right, we're getting close. Now, one tip, see these little things? Each of these are individual pieces, and you have little pieces like this. What I'm gonna tell you is the instruction says to put these in these slots and then add the little green leaves. Do it the opposite way. Instructions say to add the little green things on top of these and then insert them. These are very delicate, okay? These are very delicate, so be careful and do the opposite of the instructions. I broke a couple of these just because they're so small and very delicate. All right, and we are all finished with the Wise Block Pine Breath 4 Seasons Bonsai Tree block set. Now, I did not use the snowy pine version. It certainly comes with all the pieces if you want to make it a snowy bonsai. But I think for being the spring version, it looks pretty good. So I would definitely recommend this. This is a fun set. Now, it did take me a little bit. I wasn't in a rush. It took me maybe about an hour to put this all together. This is a great little fun set. I would definitely recommend this.